Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove professional account on Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then go to the Instagram account profile page and then just go to the three lines on the top right corner. Here find the setting and privacy. Here just scroll down and find for creator tools and controls. Just click on it and here find the switch account type. Here we can switch to business account or switch to personal account. Just click on the switch to personal account. Yes, click on the red button switch to personal account. Just wait. Switch it to personal account and now we have the type personal account, or we can just use the search. Find here the type of the account and then you can switch to personal account if you need. This is another way for this method. And that's all for today. Goodbye.